Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelly and today's video is week 2 of the Minimalist game. Before we get any further, this is a collab with other YouTube ladies. And the playlist is linked down below so you can go check out their videos once you're done with mine. And the host of this game is Clueless Mama D, and her channel is linked down below as well. So just a quick recap of what it is. It's a game where you declutter an item per the day of the month. So for the whole month of November, we're going to get rid of over 400 items. So on day 1, you get rid of 1 item, day 2, 2 items, day 3, 3 items, and so on and so forth. And it could be from clothing to anything in your junk drawer, anything in your garage, in your kitchen, or anywhere in your household. You just got to get rid of an item. Whether it be a ketchup pack or a huge piece of furniture. The point of this game is to be more minimal and have peace with yourself. So for me, I try to stay on the topic of like clothing items. So my husband's clothes, my children's clothes, shoes, scarf, ties, anything that we can possibly wear, I'm going to try to get rid of it because I'm tired of doing like loads and loads of laundry when it shouldn't even take that long. So, and we wear the same clothes over and over. And a lot of these items that we get rid of, that I got rid of, are stuff that we don't even use anymore, that serves no purpose but just to clutter. So we're getting rid of it. Here's week 2. Alright guys, today is day 8 and we're getting rid of 8 things. So here we go. Still clothing items. Some of them are my husband's. He helped me out today. So here we go. This shirt he doesn't wear anymore. That's 1. These pants he doesn't wear anymore. That's 2. These other pants he doesn't wear anymore. 3. I'm so glad it's mostly his. And this scarf from where I used to work at, if you guys can't tell, it's the Chase logo. I used to work there. I was so happy to work there, but then I got a better job offer somewhere else. So yeah, I don't need this anymore. I said I was gonna wear it. I said I'm gonna hold on to it because I thought that maybe this new job was not gonna work out and I was gonna go back, and I already got rid of my shirts and now I just need to get rid of the scarves. But I just love them so much. They're so cute. Okay, but I do have a friend at Chase and I know she'll probably love this, so I'm gonna get in contact with her and see if she wants it. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Alright, and this tie, that makes it 5. This belt that I don't know, it must have gone to a shirt, but don't worry. 6. This belt that I don't wear anymore. It was really cute, but anytime I would wear it, people would ask me if I was pregnant, and that's not a fun question to answer. So, no. Gone. 7. And these shoes. They're just worn out. My husband doesn't wear them anymore, so we're getting rid of it. So that's 8 for day 8, and it was mostly his. So, okay. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, so day 9, and I thought I could not get rid of any more stuff, but I can. This stuff was pushed back all the way in my closet, so perfect to get rid of it. So here we go. Item 1. I love, 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 love this dress, but it was pushed way in the back. I know I'm not gonna wear it. I say I'm gonna lose weight and it's gonna fit perfect again, but even though I can make it fit, but I don't want to do that. So we're getting rid of this. That's 1. This was also pushed in the very back. It's beautiful, but I just don't wear it anymore, so we're gonna get rid of that. So that's 2. This other skirt, I actually had taken this out and put it in my recycling bin to give it away, donate it, and I took it out because I thought I was going to wear it again. No. That's 3. Okay. This other one, whoop, it's backwards. This other one is another skirt that I wore while I was pregnant for my second child, and I loved it so much. I love the color combination on here, and you know, the pattern and everything, but it doesn't fit me well, I should say, because it's like super long. So we're getting rid of that. That's 4. This other skirt I just don't wear anymore. It's also long and beautiful. That's 5. I think that's 5. Okay. And then this pink blouse doesn't fit me well anymore, so we're getting rid of that. 6. This other sweater. 7. My husband's scarf. 8. And did I say scarf? I meant tie. Okay, and then this other Chase scarf is actually from Chase. I did buy it there for my Chase attire, but don't need it anymore, so we're getting rid of it. 9. That's day 9. Day 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Day 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Day 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Day 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Day 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Comment down below. Let me hear what you guys are doing and what you're getting rid of if you're playing this game. If you haven't already, go check out my other video on week 1 and see what items I got rid of. So again, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and check the playlist. I'll see you next week. Bye!